Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funny tip, we're going to dive in and talk a little bit more about how your consumer credit scores really work. So, if you're new to having credit, then there's little you can do to improve the third largest aspect of your score with the length of credit history, how long you've had credit for. Now, one cool thing you could do is you can actually come in and use authorized user accounts from family members to backdate credit history. You can't get accounts now and backdate the history on your credit report, but it's very important that you have a credit history as long as you possibly can on the consumer side. So a quick hack to be able to use a family member's account where they can actually add you as an authorized user. Now the average age of the accounts is another important reason to keep accounts open. So if you have multiple accounts that you've had open for a long period of time and you close them, that can really hurt your credit profile. So know how long you've had credit for is very important to your overall score, and use authorized user accounts from family members to add history that you have to improve your overall FICO score.